What's up, YouTube? This is Cool Contraptions. And in this video, we're going to be making airsoft grenades that are powered by firecrackers. Here's my idea. I have a cylinder or rectangular prism that has a hole that goes down the center of it for the firecracker, and I have a whole bunch of individual holes on the outside for airsoft BBs. When the firecracker is lit, it will explode inside the cylinder and send all the individual airsoft BBs out of their holes and hit anyone who is standing near it. I started with a simple 2-hole design to see if my concept would even work. Here's the grenade fully 3D printed. The firecracker will go in the top like this, and then you have 2 holes, one on each side, for airsoft BBs to fit in just like that. And the force of the firecracker exploding should shoot the airsoft BBs out the side of it, and hopefully it won't be enough to destroy the grenade, so that you will be able to use it multiple times. As you can see, the firecrackers kind of blew up the airsoft grenades. They did work, but they're not reusable. So I'm going to make a few changes to the design, and I'm going to 3D print them a little bit stronger. I did not use the strongest print settings that I could have used. And then I'll try again. Here's the new stronger grenade, fully 3D printed. It's a lot heavier than the other one because the infill is a lot higher on it. I also made the hole that the firecracker sits in a little bit deeper so that more of the force of the firecracker will be used to shoot the airsoft BBs out of their holes. As you saw, the airsoft grenade worked and shot the airsoft BBs out of it, and it did not blow up. I'm going to do a few more modifications to the final design, like putting a couple more holes in it so it will shoot more airsoft BBs out, and I think I'll put one hole in the bottom so I can push the firecracker out easier. I ended up doing a 6-hole design, which isn't as much as my original design, but anymore and it might have put too much stress on the grenade. And now, here's the grenade in action. As you saw, the airsoft grenade is pretty powerful. It shot a hole through the test container. I ended up printing 6 airsoft grenades and connected all of their fuses so that when you lit the fuse and the airsoft grenades went off, 36 BBs would be shot out of the airsoft grenades. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new, please subscribe to the channel and ring that bell to get notified when we upload future videos. And comment with any ideas of things that you would want us to make.